Santa Claus? Who is real? Who is fake?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Asking about Santa Claus. The TV is working.
I want to make a reindeer sleigh.
Where is Mario going? I wonder. Mario attaches it to the cow.
Hey, prepare the gift boxes for me. Wait a minute. Here you go, here you go.
Unbelievable! He probably thinks Mario is Santa Claus' assistant.
Whoa!
Does Mario transform like this? Oh? Everything is ready. Let's see how Mario impersonates Santa Claus. Santa Claus, Mario.
The boy seems cold.
Practical gift. How long do I have to eat this? It turns out Mario just wants to do good work too. Whoa, whoa! Wow, turkey! Thank you very much! Does the cow want to eat grass? Huh? What's going on?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh, Bob, the cows are stuck in the swamp.
I need your help.
Hello!
Whoa, whoa! The suction job is done. The water is gone. They have passed the swamp.
Hey, 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 hey. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, no!
Okay, to go.
Hooray! Hooray!
The mischievous ship. It's a cold day, and people are burning firewood to keep warm. The sheep are having a great time. Farm. Do these two sheep want to join in too? Jump, everyone! But their thick walls cover their eyes. A sheep accidentally disrupts the entire music session.
What's going on, Sheep? Look around. Sheep's wool.
This is probably the cause.
Uh-huh. We need a sheep shearing machine. Sheep's wool.
Bye!
Ensuring safety for the ship and those around them. Mario wants to lead the flock into the pen first.
Wait here, Luigi.
Wow, here's the ship shearing machine.
Hello!
I'm back.
Let's see how the ship shearing machine works.
Mario, hold the sheep. Hey, stop. How am I
Focus, Luigi.
beautiful woolly clothes? Oh, I'm sorry.
Jumping again. The sheep must have seen everything clearly now, right?
Wait for me. We'll have a warm sheep wool clothes.
What's next? It's really big and warm. Wow, a piece of cheap wool fabric. Add another bunch. Now we have enough warm clothes for the Mario Brothers.
Gardening is a small matter. Morning on the farm.
Hello!
Mario and his friends start.
Hello!
Spider starts clearing grass. Mario is going to sow the seeds. Wherever the sewing machine goes, the seeds are sown. Careful. Oh no, the water is all spilled.
Hello!
Luckily, Mario is okay. The water pump. Now what should Mario do to get water for irrigation?
Wow!
Now, let's go back to the farm. I'm back.
Okay.
water park nest.
Hello. Okay. I'll be there right away.
The farmer goes to help Mario. The water path generator starts working. Powerful rotation. Wherever the machine goes, the groove is created. Just like that, the water paths gradually appear. Good job. Next is the water path. It's worth looking forward to. Water begins to flow into the path. Following the path, water enters the seed beds. The whole field has been watered. Wow! Let's see how watering helps plants grow. Now is the time to harvest the fruits. The tree grows quickly and bears abundant fruit. One fruit? Two fruit. Gardening is a small matter, right?
Oh, I'm sorry. 아하. 그래요. 이게 뭐 내 시간 양식으로 쓰는 거고. 아, 오케이.
Bye. Hello. Wow. Bye. Hey-ya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Ha 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 ha!